Hello, welcome to Legacy Luxury. This is a very quick video. It's a quoted ornament video, and just wanted to show you what I accomplished. I just used that plastic ornament disc and found a quoted saying from Glinda, the Good Witch, on that deck of cards I showed you in the last video. And meanwhile, Legacy won an award. So while I'm waiting for my ornament to dry, I gave her a phone call, told her I'm going to come pick her up, and we headed to Ponderosa for a celebratory dinner. And then I took her to her favorite vinyl resale shop, and she picked up an album. Yep, she won an award for Empathetic Student. So proud of her. Meanwhile, I get back home and I decide, well, this is about it. I'm going to add some Snow Tech, some Diamond Dust, and then Mod Podge. I will seal it up, and then I'm ready for the backside of the ornament. I decided to go with some new molds I haven't tried yet, snowman, Christmas trees, and then use some gel stain over it. It was too dark for my liking. I blotted as much as I could off of the ornament, and it is an antique-y, vintage look ornament, but I like color. I like bling. I think of Glinda as pink and colorful and blingy, the star of the show. So I decided to paint over that gel stain, and meanwhile, I'm waiting for everything to dry, and I watched the Lions game. Boy, they came out that first half just roaring, but I don't know what happened when they went into halftime locker room. It was a whole different team that came out in the second half. They couldn't even catch the ball. Next year, go Lions, go next year. So I'm sitting there at my craft table, and then I decide, well, I think I'm finished with all the Snow Tech and the Diamond Dust, so I ran out quickly and I spray coated it with Rust-Oleum Enamel Clear Coat. I will spray coat it one more time, and then I'll show you a video of how it turned out. I'm just playing around right now with different techniques, different size ornaments, and I've come across an idea that I want to present to you all next video series. And I am using dessert plates. You heard it, dessert plates that I bought from Amazon in a big bulk. And I'm going to glue them together, and I'm going to make my own ornaments. These ornaments are just way too small for all the little detail I like to place on them. And so that's what I'm going to present to you in the next series. I hope you subscribe, because you're only going to see it here. And here they are. I'm already using the fabric tack and letting them cure so they will not come apart. But there is other options with these dessert plastic plates. So thank you for watching, and here's the final ornament.